So as usual, shall I begin with
Tama?
Lakshmi? Yeah. Tama? Yeah. Whoever, I'm okay with it. Yeah.
Okay, so maybe I'm the least person who like to talk.
Okay, good. Go ahead.
Usually it's Lakshmi is always say the first. Okay, so
Okay.
to me it's been a wonderful journey to me, and it's been tough and super intense. To me, I find this course is very last minute. I think Mr. Mahanji knows well. I was joining, I think, 2 days late, and then I was just because I'm craving to learn new things. I got my 200 hours is 2 years back then. Yeah, in Singapore. So with the time difference to join the course, I live in Bali, and the time difference with my working, and it's been so tough for me to be on time and then to absorb things, and it's so many things so many new things that I learned, and yeah, and the last few days when I joined when we get the date for the exam, and it's getting more intense to me, and I think yeah, it's very intense. And I was today when just did the practical exam, and when we did a meditation, I was actually crying. I don't know why, and yeah, I feel so released, and you can hear that my voice is now start trembling actually.
Yeah.
So yeah, I feel happy. Actually, is something new that I learned. It's been a wonderful journey, and when I just finished the theory, I was crying again with Mary. I was like, I don't know what is happening, but I just feel happy. It's so many new things, so many yeah, absorb things that I have to absorb, and so many new friends, beautiful soul in everywhere that
Very true.
that I know that is yeah, it's welcoming us, and then, yeah, it's to me it's been a wonderful journey, and definitely it's gonna be the process that in my life that it's yeah, it's always will stay there, and to be a better of me. And I'm so grateful that I found this course, yeah, in this kind of pandemic. Yeah, that's I was struggling. I think I keep on texting Mr. Mohanji and Ranjani also because of the time difference, and then the miscommunication and things like that. I have to deal with myself also with yeah, with this, because I don't want to be fail. You know, this kind of scare. Yeah, I'm still working on that thing. So yeah, to me it's been such an amazing, wonderful journey that I will always remember.
Great, 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 great. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. So I'll now move with Madeline. Fantastic woman. Yeah,
Yeah,
Madeline.
so as Dama said, we have been crying when we finished the exam. And I think it was just in appreciation of, I remember Mahanji phoned me and he said, this course will change your life. And when you don't know somebody, you think, well, this is a good marketing thing that he's saying. But it has really been so profound. The theory part has really kind of touched me deeply, and it's made me feel like this is just the tip of the iceberg. There is so much to learn, but you have put us on the path. You've given us the tools to be able to continue. So thank you. It's just been fantastic to think that one can arrive in India during the lockdown when you can't fly has been an absolute blessing. So thank you to all. And the group of people that we have done the course with, I put on a message what a joy. I've never been on a WhatsApp group that has been so busy talking and sharing such wonderful knowledge so openly. So I'm thanking all of you. It's been just a joy and a great learning. Thank you so much.
I think the pleasure is all ours to add you in our institute. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So it's the family is getting stronger and bigger. Great. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah. So I have to go with now Lakshmi.
So I'm actually happy that I was not in the second batch because I would have cried as well. So yeah, that is the emotion. I think I'm absolutely overwhelmed by both Merlin and Gamma. I think I also shed a tear during meditation. It has actually for the first time, I think I'm lost for words. Thank you, all of you. From all my heart. It's been an amazing journey. I really enjoyed my sessions, especially the theory sessions. The amount of effort you put in to bring things together from different parts of the world, I think it's commendable. I just never expected anything to be so beautiful. And so much of learning I didn't expect. Thank you, Mohanji. It's really overwhelming. I can't even put it in words as to how much you've made that little effort to bring people together to just help us learn. That effort that has gone into this is something which I keep telling myself that I'm so happy to be a part of this. And this is one of my best ever decisions in my life. So thank you again. Very, very grateful. I mean, with all my heart to each one of the family that I've shared the entire 40 days with, and teachers and ma'ams and sirs who have been a part of this journey to help us learn has been really overwhelming. Thank you so much with all my heart.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for the lovely review. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. So let us go to Bali. Gamma, ready? We are going to come Bali. She's from, yes, right?
She thought you're going to ask her to talk again.
No. I just said, I forgot to tell that when she was emotional, I was about to say that let us go Bali now.
She was like, I just finished. Why are you asking me again?
Yes. Yeah, we never learned lip reading. Okay. We cannot understand.
She doesn't realize that she's muted, I think so.
Yeah. Right. Good. Thank you. Thank you so much, Lakshmi. Yeah,
Thank you,
thank
sir.
you. Yeah. So now it's Savita. Savita, you there? Savita.
I think her internet is, she's
Yeah.
moving sides.
No problem.
Stuck.
Yeah, all right. Okay. Okay, let's go with Suyasha.
Actually, I'm a little bit sad now because the 50 days just came and went by so quickly. And I think ever since I finished the 200 hours course, I was waiting eagerly. Either I'll come to Pala or I'll do the 300 hours. So, but like Marilyn actually said that, now there's so much more to learn, but I know that I have my gurus now and I have my friends, because every time, I have a doubt, I can just ask any of you. And I'm grateful to be a part of the Shanti Yoga family, and I think we will all stay in touch, and we try and keep up our practice. In fact, I will irritate Rajni ma'am once in a while. I'll ask her questions, and even Nijis sir, so yeah, I think tomorrow I'm going to be, I think, very upset because we will not have class. Yeah, so maybe we can have a class tomorrow regardless. We will do so 41 days course. Why not?
Okay, you all can in a group. You all can share also, because this group going to be remain the same.
Yes.
So you can
Thank you.
join together also can continue.
Yes, absolutely. There's
Yeah.
so much learning left to do, and now I feel like I've only just begun. It's only like a baby step. And thank you
Yeah,
so
yeah.
much to the faculty and my friends who've been wonderful, absolutely wonderful.
Great, great. Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah, Priscilla. Yes.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so in my case, I would say I was lucky enough that I was part of the 200-hour batch as well. So I could see how wonderful the experience was earlier, like before, right? So because of that, I didn't want to do the 300 hours with any other school. Like I had other chances, they would just show up, saying and trying to offer me the courses, and they would say, no, I'll wait for Shanti. And I would be asking Mohanji like every week, where is the 300 hours? Where is it? Where is it? Please, please do it. And then, but anyway, I think everyone said it all right. It's the most wonderful experience. And these people that we meet, I don't know, it's not a coincidence, that we are all together in the same batch. There is a reason for all this. So I have met all these amazing people, and of course, Shanti's teachers as well. You're all awesome people, and I'm really grateful for all the things you've been teaching me. And to me, it's a lot harder because all these Sanskrit names and all these things, like I was going crazy at some point. I would think of one name and oh my God, which one is this one? Is that one? No, it's not this one. And then I would have to write it all down and just try to memorize because I don't want to be just an ordinary yoga teacher. I want to be a decent one and good one. And I want to represent Shanti as well out there. When people ask me and they see that we're good because it came from Shanti as well. So, and I guess that's it. And I want to say thank you to each and every one of you as well. And I hope we can keep practicing. In the group, I have sent a message. Let's just not disappear, okay? And that's it. Thank you so much for everything.
Thank you, Priscilla. Thank you so much. Thank you. Right. Now we go to another emotional person who is there. I think everyone. Okay, let's go with Anupama.
It's very hard, sir, right now. Like, I getting short of words.
Yeah, I think it's the thing that Gamma generated. She's just turned all the emotional channels on. She's just turned it on like complete full volume.
It's never easy, sir, to say goodbye to such beautiful things in your life. Thank you too.
Yeah.
I just can't say anything. Just thank you to all.
Yeah. So lovely. Thank you.
Thank you especially to, if I don't say Rajni ma'am, thank you, that would be unfair. Like, she was very supportive throughout the session. Like, I felt like a big sister or something. She was every time there. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. Like, I used to message her a lot. Most of the time, ma'am, this is not happening, that is not happening, how to do. And she's every time there. Thank you so much, ma'am. And
don't make me to cry, please.
Thank you, Mohan sir. Thank you, Nidhi sir. Like, I have never found a guru like you. Thank you so much. Srinivas sir, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you to all my friends. Thank you.
So it's not that we are going to end up this thing. This family will remain as it is.
You can text thereafter also, no problem.
Yes.
I will reply. I'm there
We
too.
always available.
You won't be there, no, ma'am,
Always
early morning.
Yes.
I will, ma'am. I will. I will never, like, I would never leave this family. I will never.
Yeah.
Mohan sir, if there would be any other classes also that you would be planning to conduct, please let me know. I
Sure,
would
sure,
be
sure,
very
sure.
happy to join again. And
So we are
more,
planning to conduct one yoga therapy course. It will take some more months, and we will inform you. We will update that.
Yeah.
sure, sir.
Will it be online or residential?
Yeah.
Yeah, residential.
We'll
Yes.
have residentials next
You
time.
could
No
come
more.
residential.
Yeah.
Then this will be entirely different.
In residential, so I would cry and fall down over there. I don't want to go back.
The thing is, the residential thing is what happens is they will be booking the ticket at the end of the day. People will cancel the ticket and they'll postpone the dates. By the day one, they'll want to make sure that they want to leave on this last day. As soon as they come, they'll ensure you will finish on the last day, right? Everything will say yes, we will finish, but make sure that you go on the same day. But it will not happen. They will not go on the same day. They will change the tickets. Yeah, such a wonderful thing.
Shanti
Yeah.
has that magic, sir. Shanti has that magic. It doesn't allow you to, like, you can't disconnect from that. It has that magic. Our
Yeah,
gurus
yoga.
have that magic in them.
Yeah, yoga has that magic also because of the way that our ancestors gave us the technique like that. This wonderful.
Then
technique.
you plan a
It's
program.
nature
You all
thing.
of you plan a program and you come over here and stay here
Yes.
for some days.
Yeah.
We can have a one week time or
I
5
was
days.
suggesting.
Yeah.
I was
You
telling Srinivasan
come
sir,
as
you
a
should
group,
not.
so we can go some good places, nice places here. And we can have some yoga asanas also. Everything we can have.
So you do one thing, so we will all come to pick up the certificate. Otherwise, we'll all never come. You should tell us
Okay,
you should
you're all
come.
welcome. Welcome.
You
That's
tell us
also
you come,
easy for
only
us.
then you can get the certificate. So we'll all come.
You
We'll
take a
talk.
decision. You take a decision,
Okay.
and we will keep the certificate here. You can come over here, and we can.
Yeah. Or whoever comes, we'll give the advance certificate also. That is a different thing. Good. So definitely the therapy course is under pipeline. Definitely people should experience that. They add more value with the current course what you have done. And also when you come to the offline, you have a very good big opportunity to come to my farm also. Okay.
So
Right.
person to person interaction is a higher give and take of energy. Sir. It's any
Right.
days it can't match an online thing. So it's always a different energy
Yeah,
altogether.
we'll see that another one more emotional day, lively. Right.
So we
Good.
are
Thank
having
you.
a big group of WhatsApp group of yoga Shanti yoga teachers. He also will be included in the
Thank
group,
you.
and we can communicate, translate in that group. Today itself, we will include you in the group.
Yeah.
Some of are already in the group, and others will be included today.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
So
sir.
Savita, I think you did your exam well, right?
Somewhat.
Okay. Good.
It was packed, so I was a bit nervous.
Okay. Yeah, Savita, you can share the journey how it was to you.
But I don't realize how 40 days just went by so quickly before I could realize it's over. I was apprehensive about joining. The reason is I knew the exam dates, MSc exam dates. And similarly, this course also would end on 18th. I know exams whether how will I manage? If there is assignment, how can I do? Those things were in my mind, but Mohanji was very convincing. Even with the timings, he was very adaptable. He permitted me to attend the 5 p.m. batch. So I was with Mary and Gama. It was wonderful. Ranjini was always there, very supportive. So I remember days when it was a bit tiring, and if I tell I'm not well, I'm sorry, she would say no formalities, please take rest. So between the teachers and the students, the rapport was so strong. And Nidish ji, I remember we used to ask so many doubts, and he was so down to earth. The times when he felt he was not sure, he was very open to tell, I don't know. That is something very great of any teacher for that matter. Because the day we have that ego that I know everything, we are gone. So from our own teachers, we are learning how to be a teacher. It's a very great experience. And all the support by Mohanji and yourself, sir. And there is so much of connect. You are so far away, but you're so happily you're showing us your farms. So like that's a teaching that we are connected to nature. The yoga is wholesome. It's been a very happy journey. All the classes, in fact, there's been no class which was dull or boring. It was wonderful. So 40 days in a capsule is, there's no words. I don't know how we could capture so much. Many things which I don't know whether I missed it in MSc. I learned it here. Maybe I was a bit, I don't know whether it was not there. I don't remember, but such things I learned here during this short span, during the theory class. And to talk about my friends, there's no words. It's been a very active group. We have a separate group, all of us. Maybe I was a bit, not too much because of my exams. Otherwise, it has been an active group, very supportive. Thanks a lot for the journey. I'll never forget it. And happily waiting to meet you all in person. Very happy. Thanks. Thanks to everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ranju, great teacher. You should come little better because I cannot see you. Come. Come, adjust yourself. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Right. Good. So now, yeah. Tomini?
Yes, sir. For me, I think, I started the course with a disclaimer to Mohanji that I probably would discontinue any time that I would get a project. And he said that, if that happens, then we'll see how you can continue either in the next batch or whatever it could be. And I don't know if it is God's destiny. I haven't got work, which is bad, but I didn't get any work. And from Monday, I have work. And I was like, okay, and this meant that, I was to finish this course without any hindrance and, peacefully. And yes, I had this experience in my 200 hours. That's the reason I think when Mohan sir said there is this course that is starting, I was not sure how I will manage, but the greed of wanting to experience it all over again was definitely high. I said, no, I can't miss this opportunity, especially again, because it is online. And being a mother and working, really trying to cut off yourself from work for 40 days is not possible. And the online thing made it possible. And my husband was telling everything is opening up. So if come March, you might not be able to do it. So if you're going ahead, go ahead now. We'll see what happens next. And I'm happy I did it. Again, I think this time the experience was very different from last time. There were so many people who came in, different kinds of experiences, different kind of knowledge that was being given, and from different parts of the world. I mean, Joe sir, Ramajit sir, all connecting from Canada, Italy, some people from Cochin, some people from other places. So I think the knowledge that the teachers in Shanti Yoga have is something that is I think we are just small drops in that ocean now. Like you said in the beginning of the class, physically maybe we've all evolved, and also mentally, I wouldn't say we haven't, but there's so much more to even come close to what you guys know and how much you guys have made a difference. And one more reason that I did this course is, again, the impact that Shanti had not only on me, but my family. I would want to again take this opportunity to thank Ranjani ma'am and Mohanji for, helping me out with my dad. Back in November, we were not sure how his health would be. And I reached out to ma'am. And what she did today is so evident with my dad. I can see him move more actively, do asanas more better. And yes, my health has improved, and I'm feeling much healthier physically and mentally. But when I see my dad, I know that this is the path that has made a difference and has made meaning to me. And I would continue this not only for myself, whoever I can help in whichever way in this kind of a journey. I think that openness has come because I've seen the difference being made in my own family. And I'll be always grateful to Shanti for doing that difference in my life and my father's health. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you.
you.
Great, Ranjini. Good. Good. Nice. So, Purnima, are you so emotional?
Yes.
Emotional.
But honestly, I'm really happy right now. But yes, I'm feeling kind of bad. Actually, very bad that this came to an end. And 40 days, they flew by like. So I don't have, enough words to express my joy. I'm really happy. But I really wanted to attend Mohan sir's class and Nijay sir's practical class. So I missed on that. Rest all was very nice. And yes, I also missed Kerala.
Purnima,
I tried my
can you
best
do
to
one
come.
thing, please? Still, what I mentioned earlier, like that only. Can you stand in one place and speak?
It's really difficult for me to stand in one place.
You're traveling now? Are you traveling now?
Yes, I'm out. I had to come somewhere.
Yeah,
It was
yeah. Her
important.
vehicle is her foot. She's traveling with her foot.
I was waiting for my turn to come, so I was again and again putting the camera on to check if can I speak now. So yes, sir. I will surely pay a visit if I come to Kerala or anywhere close by. And it was very nice. It was fun. It was amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Shrejip ji.
Well, my journey starts last year, September. And it's going on, and I think a new journey starts from tomorrow.
Great.
Because a huge responsibility, and we'll have to live to our, to others' expectations. So, yeah, it's true that what we have learned, now it's time to implement. It's difficult to teach that we have understood in our last few days, rather, when we have got the assignment to teach. So while teaching, we learn a lot. We have to learn a lot. So I really am core of my heart. I would like to thank the entire Shanti Yoga team, all the teachers, particularly Ranjini ji and Nidhi ji, who took a lot of pain. They are very, very helpful, compassionate towards us, and they did a huge job. And we are very, very thankful to them. Also, like this, I'm really very happy to be part of this dynamic and very helpful, supportive team, batchmates. And I really wish this group continues in future. And really very, very thankful to everybody. I wish each and everybody of us reach our goal, do well in life. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, Uma.
Sir, if I can take a minute, my dad wants to say something.
Vanakkam.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening. Vanakkam. Vanakkam.
Vanakkam. It was really very happy to note that your team has given such a enthusiastic workshop, and Thamani has done extremely good. Now I am under her treatment only.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
And to your team members.
Thank you, sir. We are honored with your review, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Thamani. Thank you. Great. Yeah. Very happy to see such things. Thank you. Yeah, Uma.
Not emotional. I'm in a state of bliss. They say, no, like, I think I'm getting there. Kaivalya. I am getting Kaivalya. After the exam is
You're not audible.
Yeah, it's audible. Audible. Yeah, we can listen. Yeah.
Okay. Is it audible now?
Yeah, somewhat okay, better.
Okay. So I am not at all emotional, is what I said, Lakshmi. I'm in a state of bliss. I'm reaching Kaivalya. I'm getting there. Like, after the exams are over, right? Like, I'm definitely not emotional. Like, I can feel the bliss. I would definitely like to thank Mohanji, Ranjani ma'am, and Nitish sir, every one of the teachers, especially Ranjani ma'am. I mean, she's so encouraging, like, there were times when all of us found it, especially with Hanuman Asana and all, like, most of us found it a little tough. She's so, every word of hers, yeah, very good, very nice, you're doing well, very nice. I mean, that is really a very good quality of a teacher, right? Like, you really, I have seen a couple of my friends who have yoga studios, who run those yoga camps. I mean, couple of asanas they teach and they think they are the Lord of the world. Here are people, Nitish ji, so humble. He knows so much. Like, as everyone said, right? Like, we are just there at the tip of the iceberg. He has so much of knowledge. I mean, the kind of books that he reads, or the way he explains things and all. He has so much of knowledge. He is so humble. I'm really happy to be part of this family. And thank you, Mohanji. Thank you. I was actually trying to put a small, 4 to 5 asanas for kids, okay? With the instructions and all that. I was trying to put the syllabus. I was like scratching my mind. The syllabus that you have put for 300 hours, like, it's so good. It is, anyone can teach asanas. The physical aspect of it, I think many people conduct, right? Like, a lot of yoga schools conduct. But the philosophy aspect of it and to tie it back to the asanas. Ranjani ma'am was teaching Abhyasa, Vairagya and all that. So when we started doing the assignments, when we actually started understanding those, then we understood it. So that part was like really wonderful. I don't know how many yoga schools do that. Thank you for putting that together, the philosophy and tying it back to the asanas. Thank you, Mohanji. Thank you so very much for that.
Thank you, Amma. Thank you so much for your review. Thank you so much. Anita, are you there? Is it possible for you to come to the visible mode?
Yes, sir. Sir, may I switch off the camera, sir?
Yeah, we
Okay,
understand.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Otherwise, Rajni may make me cry, sir. So I want to switch off my camera. So
It's okay. We all used to see emotional things.
yes, sir.
Go ahead, no issues.
Rajni ma'am went.
She'll be coming back. Ranjini will come back.
Okay, sir. Okay, it's okay. It's fine, sir.
Yeah.
So it was wonderful experience for me. For Rajni ma'am, my feelings are same as Anupama feels. And she always encourages, if I don't want to do any asanas, she always encourages, yeah, you can do it. You are doing very good, very well, very well. And finally we did it. Sir, entire team of Shanti Yoga is very cheerful and very dedicated, very passionate. And always they have a lovely smile on their faces always, and it gives me a lot of energy and give me a lot of strength. And so, sir, I want to thank Mohan sir, and also want to thank Nitish sir. And Nitish sir, when if I don't remember my topic, don't remember my topic, and then I remember the story which Nitish sir told us. And then I recall this topic. So thank you so much, Nidhi sir. I think Nidhi sir is Nidhi sir have qualities. I don't know what is that, but it attracts a lot of me about this to learn these things. And sir, that's it. But it's not end from my side. We meet again in yoga therapy course, hopefully.
Great.
So thank you so much, Mohanji, and thank you so much by my batchmates. And my batchmates are always encouraging. They are very helpful and they are very cooperative, and always there for me. And when I need their help. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Monsaji, and thank you so much, Nidhi sir and Shri Hasan sir. Thank you so much. And
Anita
Rajni,
ji, may I come in?
Yeah, Ranjini, you should show your face. Come on.
yes, ma'am. Yes,
You're hiding. Come on.
Thank
Okay.
you so much, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm done, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Now I can switch on my camera.
Yes. Lali.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes.
I was not emotional either. I was on some other cloud altogether after I finished the exam. I was literally floating inside the house. I was in some cloud. The moment Gamma spoke, I don't know what happened. If someone had asked me to go first, no, I would have been fine.
Nice. So Ranjini, the girl is not, she's a young chap. She's almost 20 and 22 only. First when you see, you cannot expect something from her. She will be look like very calm and quiet. Slowly she reveals. She's by the time goes, you can understand her how she was really talented with that. She won so many gold medals actually from the childhood. She's doing these things. So you should be really enjoying if you people doing a offline course. We used to say her as Anna Lakshmi. She used to cook very nice food. She do the magic for even for 20 people. She cooks very quickly and the food will be very good, very tasty. So she is such a lovely girl. So we are happy that she is part of our family. And this is very true because myself, I know, Nitishji know, and Mohanji know very well. So she able to cook very nice. Right. So Ranjani, the team wants to hear from you. What do you have for them? Tell something. Come on.
Whatever Srinivasji not much real.
No. If the same was said no by Mohanji and Nitishji, then I agree. If you say
Mohanji and Nitishji said no.
yeah, you prove it. Yeah.
Okay. I really enjoyed with you people, but you people are too emotional. That's what I couldn't. Okay. Nice to see you all. I don't have any words to tell because we are keep on dragging the class up to 9 o'clock at last week. So we are keep on. Okay. So there is no word.
The problem is, ma'am, you never forced any one of us to do anything. You know, unlike any other, instructor who would say, no, you have to do this only then so-and-so, so-and-so. It just made us feel so very connected to you. So that, the emotion or the way you conducted the sessions were so cute that, you just made us feel that, everybody can do it. It was never forced upon us. So no, there is a way of putting it across to people that, you make them feel that, oh, everything is possible by them. There is a way. So that feeling of being able to do, and when someone says, yes, you can do it, you put in that 10% more effort. Oh yeah, maybe I can do it. If she's saying I will be able to do it, let me try. That emotion makes a lot of difference to your practice. Whether it is theory or it is your practical yoga in the morning, your smiling face, you're ever active in the morning, be it 6 o'clock, be it 6:30, you are alive. You are smiling and alive, and that session is made so fun. So that is what made it so interesting for us. So thank you so much for being, that little cheer factor for all of us.
Thank you, Lakshmi.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Guru is a person who makes who shows the door of possibilities. That is what is written in Sanskrit. According to the word guru itself, is a person who shows the door of possibilities. He will make a student feel that it is possible for him to make it. Making it happen, that she's an absolute guru in every other sense, 100%.
Okay.
Thank you much.
Even so, in our last class, the last class that we had, there was one printing error in the book, and for correcting that, she ran to the institute and she came back with the book. She clarified everything. We were there online till 9:30. So it's a different kind of dedication that she's having. Even all my family members now, when I used to log in the morning, she's every time with a smiling face, a nice aura. So my husband, ma'am, don't feel bad. Like my husband also used to say, look at this ma'am, she is so beautiful. She teaches so nicely. What a smiling face. I used to say, please tell her. Don't tell to me, tell her. Ma'am, you are too good, ma'am. Too good. Like it would be a dream to become a teacher like you. You're too good, ma'am.
Don't tell such big words and all.
Ma'am, we are nothing in front of you.
I totally agree.
Okay.
Thank you.
Good. Thank you.
Thank you all. Thank you so much. And we will be continuing our assignment. Actually, that day I didn't mention, no? We will be continuing some more postures.
She's
I
still
want to see
serious.
some more perfection.
We'll be more than happy, ma'am.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, good.
Okay, we'll be in touch.
Nice. Good.
Today, for all days, today my Kurmasan was complete, ma'am. I could touch my head to the ground.
I
was
Great.
Yeah, I felt really happy. It's really good. And also, Suyasha ji, today you were each in Dhanurasana in the beginning, first day when I was seeing. And today when I'm seeing, it's really great. You practiced, you trust me. That is the main thing. As a good teacher is not a part of that. The student is the main reason.
No, ma'am, you would every day. I would take sometimes I would send you photos and say, ma'am, I'm doing it. So I think you were so inspiring, and like everybody's been saying, just your happy face every day saying you can do it, you can. Very nice, very good. I think, and that's why even today after the thing I messaged you. I said, ma'am, I'll do the Purna Dhanurasana and I'll send you photos because it's because of you, ma'am. Otherwise, I don't think any of us would have improved so much from day one. It's thank you.
Everything is within you, not because you trust me. I just gave.
Thank you for bringing it out from all of us. Seeing our potential, and I think that is what a guru does. So. Thank you, ma'am.
Being that catalyst, ma'am, catalyst to bringing out the best in us.
Yeah. Thank you. And as Umaji told that, I'm really happy that she followed that Abhyasa Vairagya, that mindfulness when she's practicing. I'm very happy, Umaji. Thank you.
Good. Thanks, Ranjan. So good. So how many of you know that Nitishji? How many of you know that Nitishji can take practical classes? Okay, who all attended his practical classes? Attended, right? Yeah.
In 200 hours, he showed us Shirsasana and all the advanced during the last hours.
You should have asked a session with him for the practicals. It will be a meditative asanas. Even you have to listen so carefully. The voice will be so soft. The asana will be very gentle. So it's a fantastic asanas teacher also. So probably your next therapist, you have to ask him to come and do the practical session. Okay.
I think I will.
I'm telling
fall
in advance.
I think I will fall asleep the whole class then, because in Ranjani class I always fall asleep in Savasana.
Right. So let's listen from him.
Only one class she slept.
Okay,
She used to come after a lot of work and she used to work out a lot. She'll give nice stretches. Really, you're doing very well, Gamaji.
Good. So now let's listen from Nitishji, what he has for us. Nitishji, we can't hear you. Yeah, it's not audible. Yeah, now can hear. Can hear, but your voice so feeble. Yeah.
Srinivasa, I want to ask you one thing. Nidhi sir is every time the same, the calm and centered. Every time he's like this.
Yes. For us, it is the same only. Probably you should check with his wife.
No, let it be said. That part, let it be. We do not want to see
He's
the
always
serious
the
parts.
same. He is always the same. Yeah, I always see him. He's a living yogi.
Every time, sir, he's so calm. The tone of his voice is the same. He continues from the starting of the class to the end of the class. It is
There'll
the
be
same.
generally in the vehicle, first gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear, fifth gear. This is only one gear.
One gear, sir.
That's
No
it.
hurdles,
Start,
no
end.
brakes, no hurdles, nothing.
No,
It
nothing.
continues.
No traffic, nothing. It just keeps on going same. Yeah, Nitish ji.
Okay. So now voice is better?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Yes, sir.
So I am very happy that I spent much time with you people. 40 days I spent. And some of you are very familiar. Umaji, Siyasha, Anita. I took class in 200 hours. And all of you are so brilliant students. I was in thrill these 40 days. All of you are so brilliant and very impressive actually. Very good students. And this 300 hours course, most of the subjects were new. I told to Mohanji, I would like to teach Kundalini Yoga in detail. I would like to teach Ishvara concept, Omkara, Kriya Yoga, and he had all the subjects. And I never took class Kundalini Yoga in detail like this. So I got some opportunity also in this batch to take these subjects quite in detail. I was also in thrill in this batch. And my final words, I am speaking in a Kundalini point of view. So we all are the children of God. We all the children of God. In this body, there is a powerful energy. There is a dormant spiritual energy resides in this body. And that is called the Divine Mother, Shakti, Prakriti. So it is there in you. We all the children of God. We have to awaken that Mother. The Shakti is the Mother Divine. You have to wake her up. Then she will take you to your father, her husband. That is Shiva, consciousness. That is the purpose of our life. So you have to trust your Mother Divine. You have to surrender to her. Then she will help you. She will take you to your father, her husband, Shiva. There you can experience everything. So there is an energy in you. You have to surrender to her. You have to trust. You have to trust her. Then she will take you to the higher worlds. So in Bible, there is a statement. Christ is telling, nothing is covered up that will not be uncovered. So if there is light in you, you cannot hide that light. No one can blow that flame. So the Prakriti will reveal. So in Bible, it is written, the Spirit lead Christ to the desert. Time will come. Time will come. You have to be so aware. Then only you can understand that time. That time you can awaken yourself. Then enlightenment happens. So do sadhana. By doing sadhana, by practicing Kriya Yoga, you can awaken her. Then she will take you to the higher worlds. Okay? Practice. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.